Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we're going to unbox the ASUS ROG STRIX G531GT laptop. Okay, this was recently bought from Seoul, Korea at about 1,050,000 Korean won. Equivalent in peso is about 56,000 and above. Now in Korea it's much cheaper, for surprisingly, compared to the Philippines. Here in the Philippines, this one costs around 70,000 to 80,000 pesos. Now we're going to unbox this one and show you what's inside and show you the specifications, and hopefully you'll be able to find a glimpse on this laptop if it's for you or not in accordance to your budget. Okay, so this is the box packaging, the ASUS ROG STRIX. Okay, from the side it's well built. You have the handle here. Okay, so you have the different specific models and specifications here. I'll show you in camera. Okay, you have the serial numbers here. Okay, so it has a handle here so that you can carry it when you're outside. Okay, so let's take a look what's inside and show you what the gaming laptop usually is. Okay. All right. So this is it. When you open the packaging, you're greeted with a very nice plastic to protect the back side of the laptop. Okay. Let me just remove this. We have this. I'll show you the laptop later. And just show you what's inside. This is a free mouse pad that we got from the computer shop. And this is also a free mouse, the M910. And some brochures in packaging. Okay, so this one came free, and you have the power brick, so you have to have an adapter if you're going to use it in Manila. Okay, and this is the power brick. Okay, so you have the ASUS ROG logo here. Okay, so what basically is inside, and the other compartment you have nothing. Okay, so basically it's the power brick, the mouse, and the mouse pad. Okay, let me just get this out of the way and let's take a look at the laptop in itself. Okay, so this one is an Intel Core i7-9750H with DDR4 16 gigabytes, NVMe SSD 256 with a built-in 1 terabyte hard drive. It has a GeForce GTX 1650, 4 gigabytes of memory. The LCD panel is Full HD IPS. It has a Wi-Fi LAN of 802.11 AC, and it has Bluetooth 5.0, USB 3.1, and weighs around 2.4 kilograms with a 3-cell battery. This one doesn't come with any operating system, so you might have to install your own Windows. So be able to get it for cheap, so can't complain. Okay, looks very nice. Let me remove it. So it feels a little bit plasticky, but it has a very nice finish. Okay, it has the ASUS logo here. It is backwards, so this is the ASUS logo right here. Okay, so it has a very matte finish. Okay, the back side, you have the air grills. Okay, on this side you have the USB. Okay, and 3.4 millimeter jack. 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and on this side you have none. Okay, Let's turn this laptop open and let's see what's inside. Alright. So the surface is also matte plastic. Looks very durable. It's not an aluminum chassis body, just like a more expensive laptop, but the specs inside is more affordable and is comparable rather to a mid-range gaming laptop. This one doesn't come with any RTX rendering, so it will not be used for any high-end gaming that utilizes RTX. Okay, so it has a complete keyboard except the number pad, and you have all of these buttons here. Okay, this one comes with a backlit. Okay, so let's try to turn it on and show you. Okay. So the number pad instead is located here. You can switch between a regular numpad or mouse tracking button. This one comes pre-installed with some Windows 10. However, this is not yet licensed and activated, so you have to have your own key to use it. Okay. First impression is it's not that heavy. This one comes with a extra 16 gigabytes memory inside rather than the 8 starting configuration. It has all the RGB that you want. Okay, all the RGB. The keyboard is also well lit. Okay, so you can game in the dark, as they say. Okay, so let me just take a quick browse of this. Now you may notice in our keyboard, or in this particular keyboard, you have Korean characters because obviously we bought it in Korea, so we have Korean characters in the keyboard. But overall, I think this laptop is well worth the money, especially if you can buy it for cheap. If you can go to Korea, to all my Filipino friends who are gamers out there, if you have a chance to go to Korea, make sure to drop by Seoul and check out their computer store. And this was bought in the ASUS accredited store, actual ASUS store, so you can get bargain and much cheaper price than here in the Philippines. So cheaper by 20 to 30%, so still a good value for your money. So once again, this is the ASUS G531GT BQ092 laptop, gaming laptop. So I hope you were able to take a sneak peek on what's inside and enjoy using it if you'll be able to buy this next time. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have almost 1,000 subscribers already, so a little bit of support is much appreciated. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.